pieces with trembling hands, a heavy end I could not stand. I tried to hold it, but it slipped through me. Now I lay it down on my knees, and I don't have to hide it. You already know every scar I carry, every tear I hold. So I open up, I let it break me through. I'm bringing all of this to you. Jesus, I am broken inside. Hold me close tonight. Jesus, I am broken inside. Carry me through the night. Take this pain, take this fear, stay with me, stay right here. Jesus, I am broken inside. Heal me here. Some days I smile, but barely breathe. Some days the sorrow gets under me. I've got questions I cannot name. Still your mercy calls me by grace, and I don't have to hide it. You already know every scar I carry, every tear I hold. So I open up, I let it break me through. I'm bringing all of this to you. Jesus, I am broken inside. Hold me close tonight. Jesus, I am broken inside. Carry me through the night. Take this pain, take this fear, stay with me, stay right here. Jesus, I am broken inside. Heal me here. Here is my heart, here is my pain, here is the place I have been ashamed. Meet me in the quiet, meet me in the ache. Nothing in me you cannot save. I release it, I release it, I release it now. Jesus, keep me till I'm whole. Jesus, hold my weary soul.